The Maulai Town Dorbar has decided to prohibit public meetings in the Maulai constituency except for a common platform following consultations with all 6 district council election candidates. Its chairman, Herr Lambok War, explained the decision was made to prevent disruption for students appearing for board exams. The decision, endorsed by all candidates, comes after concerns from residents, parents and teachers. The polls for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will be held on February 21st, with vote counting on February 24th.
But happening to examine the embossed eye notification of November, have been stunky exam of filtering. They in between happening to the Takawan election of filtering. They come out to the report of a Temba, a targeting canvas action, but can put and do it by the exam. They come to Rambashong, Milashong, the Pakan, Bakaton Barbara, they arrive in country candidate, but Kile Poilot Melinski, Hakmat Junki. Nilai keren nilai kami jemur, but dah kejengnya pun lang, kejengnya menjur lang kejengki, iwe hari ini kandidat yang berkenan, berpau bagi hak kita.